Hello, my name is Molly Sommerhalder, and I'm a certified wellness coach through the International Association of Wellness Professionals and certified yoga teacher. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the ancient Ayurvedic practice of Abhyanga, which is a warm oil massage for dry skin. So lack of prana, or life energy moving through our body, can cause a lot of issues, including poor circulation, dry skin, muscle tension, and even an uncompromised lymphatic system or immune support. So with these issues, the practice of Abhyanga allows us to increase our circulation in our body, decrease muscle tension, hydrate the skin for that dry skin, and also allows us to move into the lymphatic system to help boost that immune support and get things flowing again. So this practice is really easy to do. I'm going to demonstrate it here. So first, I use a carrier oil that is sesame seed. And so sesame oil allows us to use this as a way to hydrate the skin. You can use coconut oil if you like, but a lot of the different Ayurvedic systems and the doshas, sesame is really the neutral oil to use. So I use this one the most. And so you take this oil and you place it into a glass jar. And a glass jar is nice because you are going to heat this oil. So you place the lid on top, you fill your sink with really hot water, and place this in there for about 10 to 15 seconds. So we're warming up that oil. You take the oil out, and then if you'd like to add any essential oils, you can. So you can add ylang ylang to kind of invigorate and calm the body and the mind. Bergamot helps with any different issues on the skin, as well as tea tree oil if you want to use that. And then you can also use something like cardamom. Cardamom even warms the body even more. I actually have a few other different blends, massage oils that I get from a local maker here. And this one has kava and ginger. So kava is really good for that anxiety and stress, and it also has vitamin E that helps with even more moisture. And then I also have a super healing oil as well. This helps with any inflammation or any kind of issues that I might have, flare-ups with my skin. And so this one has pumpkin seed in it, as well as some other great things, and including that vitamin C. So I kind of add this into my massage depending on the area that I might need it in. So once you have your oil all set to go, you have your essential oils added in, your oil's nice and warm, you can start to place it onto your body. So the first thing you want to do too is to put down a towel, because you might get this all over the place in your bathroom or depending where you go. So you grab that oil once you have the towel down and you start to massage it into your skin. And so you start by working from the ground up. So in our body, in our pranic and energy systems, we have our chakras. And our chakras come through the base of our spine up through the crown of our head. They're the color of the rainbow. And they really are our energy systems in our body. And so we need to start, when we're looking at finding that pranic energy and that grounding, from the base up. So we work into our feet, start to massage our feet, go up the legs, moving up through the glutes, through the hips, up through the belly, the back, and then we move into that more deeper into the left lymphatic system. So underneath the armpits and into the chest, we really get those areas to get that flow going. And then you can start to work up into the arms, get the hands that might be super dry, getting up through the shoulders and into the neck. You can even put this on your face and into your hair, as long as you don't have irritation from the essential oils. But you should be okay, because the sesame seed oil is a carrier oil, so you only need a few drops of the essential oils. And then once you have that all done, it takes about 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how much time you have or how much self-care you need that morning or night. And then you just allow that oil to sit into your skin. If you have places that have excess oil, or you feel like you just need to release some of that oil, you can either push it in even more, or you can take that towel and kind of wipe off a little bit of that excess oil. And so we leave this on our skin. It helps hydrate. Again, you've got that lymphatic and central nervous system all flowing here. And so again, this takes about 10 to 20 minutes depending on how much time you have. You do this after you shower, so either in the morning to create that invigorating feeling, or to kind of ground yourself before you go to bed. So just kind of working through your intention for the practice, deciding, what do I need? Do I need to do this at night because I need to calm down and relax before I go to bed, or do I need to invigorate my system? And so it's a really good detoxifying as well, just to get things flowing and moving. And so this is a great practice to do, every single day if you can. And I completely understand, life gets busy. To take 10 to 20 minutes sometimes feels like a chore. So even doing it just a few times a week really can help get that prana energy moving, and again, help with whatever you need, either that uplifting energy or that grounding. And so I hope that you try this practice, and if you do, please share in the comments your experience or any questions that you might have.